Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a bomber. You will need a dispenser, a sticky piston, an observer, a slime block or honey block, your choice. I'm going to use slime block, and a lever, 2 stacks of TNT, or well, it doesn't matter how much TNT, just have TNT. And that's it. And also just grab a block. So build up really high because you don't want it to explode itself. This is about high enough. It should be high enough. So you do it that high. It's high enough so it doesn't blow stuff up. Then break the pillar below. And you won't be needing a block anymore. And then fly back up there, and then place an observer, and you can get rid of this now. Then a piston, 2 slime blocks here, and then 2 there. An observer, a sticky piston. Make sure they're facing the right way. This observer faces that way. This observer faces that way. And this is a sticky piston. And this is a piston. If you want it to go this way, then this side has a sticky piston has to be on the side the way you want it to go. So I want it to go this way, so the sticky piston's here. Now, come around under here, place an observer, a dispenser, then go to the other side and place another observer, dispenser. Make sure the observer's facing the right way. This observer faces that way, and this observer faces that way. This dispenser's facing that way, and this dispenser's facing that way. So now fill the dispensers up with TNT like this. Just fill them up with TNT, and then put a lever on the sticky piston, then flip it once, and then flip it again, and it'll activate. And then it'll do this, make a massive crater like this. I mean, I'm in a flat world, but if you're in a normal world, it will cause loads of damage. Thanks for watching. Bye.